Hi guys, welcome back to another Bee Swarm Simulator video. Today I'm just going to be joining one of my friends on Bee Swarm and showing you some hidden world jelly spots and maybe some more promo codes and so I'm going to join one of my friends because I know one is playing Bee Swarm. Yeah. Okay, so the vicious bee's been defeated. Wow. Right now I have no honey. Oh, well, obviously I do, but I mean I got no pollen. I got 166,000 honey. I'm kind of saving up to buy the parachute, but for 500,000, but it's gonna take me quite a while. But yeah, even though he's not right here with me today, you should send a friend request to me, lock_star8, as you can see up there. No, that's not me. The bottom one up there. And also, you can send a friend request to Samuel232490 because he helps me with my videos, even though I don't really need any help. He just wants to help me. And okay, I'm gonna be helping you with the hidden royal jelly spots. If you die, oh my god, no, my button's glitched. My buttons are totally glitched. Luckily, I don't have much pollen. I'm just going to have to reset my character. I hate it when it does that. Okay, so there's a hidden royal jelly spot over here that obviously anyone can get because you don't need to be in the 5v zone or the 10v zone or anything. So just drop yourself into here and there's like a cool parkour. Wow, that didn't go very well.